Right hip, please. Right up to right here.
You're missing me. You're missing me.
And right hip, please.
And Vanessa, over that right shoulder.
Vanessa, right hip, please.
This way, right here.
Vanessa.
Vanessa, blow your kiss. Blow your kiss.
Vanessa,
Vanessa, blow your kiss for Galaxy.
And Vanessa, right hip, please.
Vanessa, blow your kiss for Galaxy.
Turn back and be in the middle, right over here.
Vanessa. Vanessa, right hip, please. Vanessa, up top.
Vanessa, blow your kiss for Galaxy.
Over that right shoulder.
Vanessa, straight ahead, please.
All the way back, Vanessa.
Vanessa, the front of the dress one last time.
Vanessa, straight ahead, please.
Vanessa, all the way back.
Vanessa, right
Can I get the front?
Vanessa.
Vanessa, the front one last time. The front right here. Don't listen to him. They got it.
Vanessa, let's see the front down here, please.
And Vanessa, the front. Vanessa, just right here, please. Right there. And Vanessa, right back here, please.
That big smile right here.
Vanessa, right here, please.
Smile right here.
Vanessa, one more down to the right, please.
And Vanessa, one right here, please.
Vanessa, blow your kiss. Yeah, I caught it.
So, tell me what brings you out tonight. Why did you want to be part of this big launch for the Galaxy Note 2?
It's an amazing phone, the Galaxy 2. It's so much fun. I love being able to be creative quickly, and the Galaxy 2 totally enables that. It's so fun. It has so many fun features, and it's a beautiful night.
Now, is there one feature that really kind of blew you away, or that you're really partial to?
I love the notes. I love writing the notes because I feel like I'm getting out of context of reality, typing all the time, so it's nice being able to actually write, and I love that you can write notes and save them and be able to bump phones with someone else that has the same one and share things, so it makes life easy.
Excellent. So catch us up on your career. What's keeping you busy these days? What are you doing?
Living life, enjoying it, finally enjoying a little bit of time off. Just kind of waiting for things to happen. I have a movie called Spring Breakers coming out, which is a lot of fun. It's a wild ride. It's a bit risque, but I think the fans are really going to love it. Frozen Ground, based on a true story. It's a bit of a thriller. Really excited for that. And another movie called Gimme Shelter, which is based on a true story about a young girl's struggle. And it was very shocking. I chopped all my hair off for that, so really excited for them to come out. Still waiting though.
Excellent. Any fun plans for Halloween or for any of the upcoming holidays?
Yeah, fun plans for Halloween. It's Halloween. I love celebrating the holidays. Very impromptu parties this weekend, so I need to figure out what me and my little sister are gonna be. I'm trying to think of a sisterly duo, but I can't think of one. Can you?
Sisterly?
Sisterly duo. There's nothing.
They're not sisters, but they're friends.
But yeah, I don't know. I love Halloween.
Excellent. All right. Well, hey, nice talking to you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Vanessa, up here. Vanessa, eyes up here. Vanessa, up here. Up top, Vanessa.
Vanessa.
Vanessa, can we get the dress?